Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Natatandaan mo pa ba? Tayong dalawa'y unang magkita, panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman.
You never said too much, but still you showed the way.
Looking through some old photographs, faces and friends we'll always remember.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
May God
Ever bless you. May God ever bless you. May God ever bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama. Blow ka, skandal. Ma, blow na, skandal. Wish. Make a wish. Okay, blow. Yeah, another one. Dapat diri. Yay. Happy birthday, Mother dear. Okay. Ay mama, hi. Said na kong kuya. Hi. Ano na among kadiha galingkod? Ang lang. Oh. Asa kagikan ganina? Yadto. Asa? Tabuan. Tabuan? Ito tagpanaon. Itong swilahan. Na? Oh, sige, bye-bye.
Happy birthday karong April 24, kamunduhan ni Nice, and thank God for having a good son to us. Your mama is also having their greetings on your natal day. O dili na ni surprise kay nabusaw mo itong atong kuwan sa una. Sige lang, at least natay gamay nga bisag wa ni kuan may pasalubong diha or gift sa imong birthday o ni Nice, okay lang gyapon siguro. Sige kay si mama na po yung sulti sa iyang kabayan.
Mana?
Greeting ma.
Oh. Randy, happy birthday. And we we wish you more birthdays to come. So with Nice our
Loving
apo,
grandson.
and we are very much happy, especially when she will have to dance in her
TikTok.
with TikTok. Again, I am so glad being so concerned, thoughtful, and caring. So with Raniki, Aniki. Again, thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Happy birthday.
We
Happy
love
birthday.
you so much.
Happy
Nice, Anita.
And happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, mukanta pa ni.
Yung mana betul.
Mukanta pa.
That's all what I can say.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Liga.
Ma, ito lakot ito ba? Ito sa na mong ba? Ha? What bitaw ka? Morning, Uncle.
Uy, video man eh. Ito pa.
Ma, okay na na video, ma? Okay. Amo ika. Sige, go. Okay, video na na. Video na. Video na, ma? Video, ma? Okay. Alright, ready, ma? Ready, ma?
Ay, sa mga na.
Okay, ma. Ni, ma. Bitahan, ma. Surprise? Yes.
Bitahan ka video ka, ma?
Sige.
Okay.
Sige.
Mami, mami.
Ano yung hanan nga 100,000 eh, sweldo sa 50,000 pa rin, 50 pa man.
100 na,
100,000 na tayo, 150 na tayo sweldo ni Sandra.
Napay mga
Ala, taas mo. Happy birthday, ma.
Para mahugasan. Happy birthday, ma.
Birthday, ma.
We love you. Ang si mami, si daddy sa teaching Ari Web kaya picture na ito.
Ah, sige.
Kuya sa daddy.
Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Natatandaan mo pa ba nung tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamus-musan,